Hello mga katsararat and welcome back to my channel. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong upload. So ayan, so guys, nakita nyo meron na naman tayong maliit na kahon dito coming from Lazada. But again, this is not sponsored and I'm very much excited kasi tagal ko na talagang plano na bumili nitong product na to. Pero ngayon lang siya natupad, alright? So anyway, ano ba tong item natin for today? So this is the Poco phone na X5 Pro 5G. This is in 6GB 128GB variant or 6 by 128GB variant. So this item, so check lang muna natin. So this came from directly siya, so galing siya ng Hong Kong. So yan, so nakuha natin to during the 99 sale and after 6 days so dumating siya. So mabilis na siya kasi I'm reading some reviews, dumating yung iba 2 weeks bago dumating sa kanila. So at least sa atin mabilis, in 6 days time dumating na siya agad, including yung weekend . So yan, so huwag na natin patagalin. So i-open na natin siya. So ayan guys, so natanggal na natin siya, maayos naman yung pagkakakahon niya. So far, ayun, so nung binili ko kasi siya, dun sa picture nung item, may kasama siya dapat na Bluetooth na earphone, pero hindi rin siya sumama nung pag-order. So although I'm still expecting baka isama pa rin nila, pero so far wala. So okay lang din naman. So galing to mismo sa Poco Official, ayan kung nakikita nyo sa Poco Official Global Store nila. So again, this is the 6 by 128GB variant. So this was originally priced at, teka lang, bagal ng ano natin. This was originally priced at 14,590 for the 6 by 128. Pero yung 8 by 256 na variant is 16,999. So almost 17,000. So ganun. So malaki rin yung difference niya. Though I'm just using this as a secondary phone, kaya hindi ko na kinuha yung 8x256. Masyado na rin siya mataas. Hindi rin naman ako gamer. So I'm just more of the camera and with the 5G na connection ng ating phone. So ayun, so na masyado kasi ako na-enjoy with the 5G, even with, kung naalala nyo yun sa Infinix natin. So masyado ako na-enjoy kasi even if I'm using two different phones, yung Oppo tsaka yung Infinix, iba talaga yung speed ng internet when it comes to 5G and masyado ako natuwa. So first time ko lang kasi nagka 5G nun. So ayan, so bumili tayo ulit ng bago. So we have here the Poco X5 Pro. So nakuha lang natin siya during the 99 sale from that 14,590. Nakuha lang natin siya ng, asa ba yun? Ayan. 8,749 and 34 cents. Ayaw niyang ayan. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Ayan. So we have different discounts. May mga Lazada vouchers tayo, Last Flash Extra, may free shipping, and may shop voucher. So ayan. So anyway guys, kung wala pa rin kayong Shopback application sa inyong mga phone, i-download nyo na yan. Makikita nyo rin yung video on how to use it. Meron tayong ginawa para dyan. And para sa link, makikita nyo yan sa description below. So mag-register na kayo so you'll get instant rebate with your favorite from your favorite online stores kada purchases nyo. And aside from that, kung bago pala kayo magre-register, you'll get 100 peso registration bonus. So yan, so wag na natin patagalin, i-open na natin guys. Alright, so ayan guys, so bago pala natin siya buksan, i-check muna natin yung nakalagay sa box. So nakalagay dyan, 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator capabilities. So ayan niya siya. Then Poco with your favorite Google apps. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. Then yan nga nakalagay dito 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Then it says here made in China. So ayan yung kanyang mga codes here. The bottom part, ayan. So yun lang naman nakalagay sa box. So open na natin. So, yan. So we have a small box here. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. So we have the pin. Ayan, eject pin. Then we have here to mga paperworks nila. So we have here the quick start guide. We have the safety information, and we also have here the warranty card. So multiple languages naman siya, and English naman yung una. Ayan. So tabi lang natin yan. Then we have here this jelly case, clear na jelly case for the phone, which is good, di ba? So we have the actual unit here. By the way guys, ito nga palang phone na to is available in 3 colors, in black, blue, and yung syempre yung signature color nila na yellow. So ayan. So I'm about to choose sana yung blue. Kaya lang naalala ko meron na pala tayong blue yung sa Tecno. If you can remember. So I chose yellow na lang kasi wala pa akong yellow na phone. And again, this is the signature color ng Poco. Ayan. So nakalagay dito yan, Poco X5 Pro 5G, Snapdragon 778G processor. So 120 Hz na FHD plus AMOLED display. So yun panalo na, di ba? Yun pa lang. Then 108 megapixel na pre-grade main camera and 67 watts na turbocharging, 5000 mAh na siya. So very good to for a secondary phone, or maybe baka ito na rin gamitin ko na mismong phone, di ba? Yung aking main unit na gagamitin. So, ayan. So, we have here the charger. Ayan, nakalagay 67 watts. Ayaw niya matanggal. Ang laki. At mabigat. Mabigat siya. So, it's USB type. Ayan. So, let's check what we have here. So, we have the cable. Yan, mukhang mahaba-haba naman siya. So, this is in type C. Yeah, type C. Ayan. And let's see what's other stuff we have here. Parang may nakikita ako dito. Okay, wala na. Ayaw niya matanggal. So, wala na rin naman. So, ayan. So, that's all what we have inside the box of this Poco X5 Pro 5G. So, check lang natin. So, again, this is just unboxing, guys, ha. So, hindi ko pa rin siya i-open kasi hindi ko pa I need to check pa on the details that I'm going to put here on this phone. So, pag-iisipan ko pa kung gagawin ko siyang primary phone or secondary phone. So, ayan. So, actually, ang ganda nung pagka-yellow niya. Para siyang nag-gold. Parang somewhat glittery. Na reflectorize, I don't know, kasi parang bulag kasi ko, yan, and hindi ko na rin siya mabasa sa sobrang liliit, ayan. So, nakalagay naman, ayan, so mas nakikita ko siya sa camera. So, nakalagay dito, it's manufactured in Beijing, China. Yan, so nakalagay din naman dito is 5G yung variant niya. Then, we have here, yan nga yung mga cameras niya. So, 108 megapixel na camera, then yung Poco brand nandito. So, bali guys, ano siya, triple camera na rin. So, we have the 108 megapixel camera. Then, we also have the 8 megapixel ultra wide. Tsaka yung 2 megapixel na macro. So, ayan. Then, it also includes yung LED flash. Ayan. Then, at the upper portion, syempre yung microphone nandyan. Then, the speaker and the 3mm sorry, dito pa hindi kita. Ulit. So, ayan. So, we have here yung, syempre, yung microphone. And then, we have the speaker. Then, the 3.5mm na jack for the headset. Then, yan. So, it's a combination of yellow and black. So, black yung sa kanyang side. Ayan. So, we have here yung pinaka-on and off. And I think this is also this finger sensor. Then, the volume up, volume down. Then we also have another speaker here. So dual speaker siya. Then we have another microphone. And we have here the SIM slot. Ayan. Then the USB charger. And on the other side, wala. So, ganyan lang siya. Then, the screen itself. So, yeah. So, meron naman siyang pre-installed na rin na, what do you call that? Yan, na protector. Ayan. So, although pwede rin yun naman palitan. So, nandito rin naman yung kanyang selfie camera, nasa gitna. This is 16 megapixel. Ayan. Then, yeah. So, everything is good. So far, okay din naman yung weight niya. So, upon checking, it says that this is around 181 grams itong unit na to. So far, very handy naman siya. Ayan. So, for me, kasi malaki naman ako. So, sakto lang din naman siya sa kamay ko. So, ayan. And as per checking online, this item was released last February of 2023. So ayan, so 7 months pa lang siya sa market. So ayun nga, so 5G na rin siya. That's why I bought this item. Then ay, nakita nyo naman, di ba? So dami ng discount. So pasok na pasok to sa ating Chararat finds, di ba? Then aside from that, this runs with Android 12 na rin. And ayun nga, so AMOLED na rin yung type ng display niya. So, yan. So, very good siya. Then, actually, yung actual size niya is 6.67 inches. So, ayan. So, it also use a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 as protection sa pinaka-glass niya. So, ayun. So, anyway, guys, ayan. So, if you have any questions, comments, and suggestion, ilagay nyo lang yan sa comment section below. Babasahin natin yan at sasagutin natin yan. And again, kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong upload. So, ayun. So, dito na lang muna tayo, guys. At i-explore ko muna tong phone na to. And again, thank you for joining me for this unboxing and you have a great day. Bye!